Hello everyone, welcome back to Mambel Corner. In this video, let's explore more on the place value and value of digits and decimal numbers. Learn how each digit after the decimal point, like tens, hundreds, and thousands, has a unique place and meaning. Perfect for learners who want to understand how decimals work in real-life situations like money, measurements, and scores. Ideal also for pupils, teachers, and anyone who wants to strengthen their math skills. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more math tips and lessons. Okay, for our lesson objectives, by the end of the lesson, you'll be able to give the place value and the value of a digit of a given decimal number through 10,000s. Let's have a short review first. Consider the number 5,234 and 4,323 10,000s. The place value names of different digits in the number are shown in the figure below. Okay, so this is 5,234 and 4,323 10,000s. So the whole number part and the decimal part are being separated by a decimal point. Okay, so here 4 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place, 2 is in hundreds place, and 5 is in the thousands place. Okay, and to the right of the decimal point, we have 4 in the tens place, 3 is in the hundreds place, 2 is in the thousands place, and 3 is in the 10,000s place. Okay, so the rules for decimal place values, the first digit to the left of the decimal point is the ones place. And then the second digit in the left of the decimal point is the tens place. The third digit to the left of the decimal point is in the hundreds place. And then the fourth digit is in the thousands place. Okay? And to the right of the decimal point, we have the first digit, which is the tenths place. And then the second digit, we have hundreds place. And then the third digit, we have thousands place, and then the fourth digit to the right of the decimal point is in the 10,000s place, and so on and so forth. To talk about place values in the decimal system, let's take a quick recap on what are decimal values and place values. A decimal number is a number that includes a decimal point to show values less than 1. It is based on the place value system, where each digit after the decimal point represents a fraction of 10. It is a number in between two whole numbers. The value of a digit based on its position or place in a number is known as its place value. Value refers to what a digit is worth in a given number, and the value of a digit is based on its place value. So having said that, let's take a look at what is place value. Okay, so all the numbers that we see and encounter on a daily basis in life follow the rules of place value. Example number 1. Give the digits in ones place and tens place in the number 64 and 89 hundredths. So for the solution, step 1, in the given number 64 and 89 hundredths, the digit in ones place is 4, as it is the first digit to the left of decimal point. And then step 2, the digit in tenths place is 8, as it is the first digit to the right of the decimal point. Okay, so the digit in ones place is 4, and the digit in the tens place is 8. Example number 2. Give the digits in thousands place and thousands place in the number 1,346 and 3,281 10,000s. Okay, so let's have the solution. Step 1. In the given 1,346 and 3,281 10,000s, the digit in thousands place is 1, as it is the fourth digit to the left of decimal point. And step 2, the digit in thousands place is 8, as it is the third digit to the right of decimal point. So for the answer to this example, the digit in the thousands place is 1, and the digit in the thousands place is 8. For our lesson activity, identifying place values with decimals. So our number is 1,745 and 2,816 10,000s. What is the place value of the underlined number? The underlined number or digit is 8. What is the value of the number? Okay, so we can start by looking at the place values of all the digits of the number. The decimal point tells us where to start. Okay, to the left of the decimal point is ones place, and to the right of the decimal point is the tens place. So we then count up or down based on the powers of 10 places. And to answer the question, what is the place value and the value of the underlying digit, we can use the place value chart. Okay, but before that, let's put all the digits in the place value chart, starting from the decimal point, which is the point of reference, and then going to the left of the decimal point are the whole number part. So let's start with the ones place. So there are 5 ones, and then there are 4 tenths, there are 7 hundreds, and 1 thousands. And to the right of the decimal point are the tenths, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s place. So the first digit in the right of the decimal point is the tenths place. So that is 2. There are 2 tenths. And in the hundreds, there are 8. And in the thousands, we have 1. And then in the 10,000s, we have 6. So the problem asks us about the 8 in the number. Okay? So the number is located at the hundreds place. It will therefore have a value of 110 times 8. We have 8 tenths. For work example, give the place value and the value of the underlying digit. Our number is 798 and 492 thousandths. So the underlying digit is 9. So again, let's put all the digits in the place value chart. Start from the decimal point, going to the left of the decimal point, we have ones, that is 8 ones. Then tens, there are 9 tens and 7 hundreds. And then to the right of the decimal point, let's start with the tens place, which is 4, hundreds, which is 9, and thousands, which is 2. Okay, so the place value of 9 is hundreds. Okay. Okay, so that is the place value of the underlying digit, which is 9. 9 is in the hundreds place. And what is the value of 9? Okay, just multiply the place value, which is hundreds, by 9. So 9 times 100, the answer is 9 hundredths. Okay. Example number 2. Give the place value and the value of the underlying digit. The number is 532 and 864 thousandths. Okay, we can use a place value chart to answer the question, what is the place value and the value of the underlying digit. So before that, let's put all the digits in the number line. Okay, let's start with the decimal point, which is the point of reference. And then to the left of the decimal point, we have the ones place, which is 2, the tens place, which is 3, the hundreds place, which is 5. And to the right of the decimal point, let's start from the tens place, we have 8 tenths. And then the hundreds place, we have 6 hundredths. And then the thousands place, we have 4 thousandths. Okay, so again, what is the place value of the underlying digit? It is tenths. So it is in the tenths place. So the answer is tenths. Okay, and then what is the value of the underlying digit? So just multiply the place value and the number. So 8 times 1 tenth, the answer is 8 tenths. Example number 3. Give the place value and the value of the underlying digit. And the number is 104 and 3,249 10,000ths. Okay. So let's put all the digits in the place value chart, starting from the decimal point, and then to the left we have ones, we have 4 ones, 0 tens, and 1 hundreds. And then to the right of the decimal point we have tenths place, which is 3, 2 in the hundreds place, 4 in the thousands place, and then 9 in the 10,000s place. And then the underlying digit is 9. So what is the place value of the underlying digit? And its value. So look at the 9. It is in the 10,000s place. So the place value is 10,000s. And then the value, just multiply 9 times 1 10,000. So the answer is 9 10,000s. Here's another example. The number is 1 and 3,984 10,000s. So let's give the digit, the place value, and the value of the number. So from the decimal point to the left of the decimal point is the ones place. So the digit is 1 and the place value of 1 is in the ones place. And if you get the value of 1, just multiply the 1 by its place value, which is 1. So 1 times 1, we have 1. And then the right of the decimal point, so the first digit is in the tenths place. So 3 is in the tenths place. And just multiply 3 times 0.1. The answer is 0.3. Okay. Then the next digit is 9, which is in the second digit from the decimal point. That is hundreds. Okay. Then just multiply 9 by hundreds. That gives you the value of 9 hundredths. Okay. And 8 is in the thousands place. And if you multiply 8 by thousands, you'll get the value of 8 thousandths. And the last digit, which is 4, is in the what place value? 10 thousandths place. And if you multiply 4 by the place value 10 thousandths, that is 4 10 thousandths. For our lesson activity, letter A, the total land area of 16 cities is 8,460 and 9,231 10,000 square kilometers. Write the place value and the value of the following digits. Okay, number 1. What is the place value of 2? That is the second digit from the decimal point. It is hundreds. And the value, how do you get the value? Just multiply the digit by its place value. So 2 times hundreds, that is 2 hundredths. Number 2, what is the place value of 3? 3 is the third digit from the decimal point. So that is thousands place. And then the value, just multiply 3 times 1,000. The answer is 3 thousandths. Number 3, what is the place value of 1? 1 is the fourth place of the digit in the decimal part. That is, okay, 10 thousandths. And just multiply 1 times 10 thousandths. The answer is 1 10 thousandths. Number 4, the number is 8. What is the place value of 8? That is the fourth place from the decimal point. So that is thousands. Yeah, thousands. Okay, just multiply 8 by 1,000 to have the value of 8. That is 8,000. Whole number, because 8 is in the whole number part. Number 5, the number is 6. What is the place value of 6? That is the second digit from the left of the decimal point. So that is tens. And 6 times 10? The answer is 60. And that is the value of 6. Okay? Letter B. Write the digit that belongs to the given place value. Number 1. What is the digit in the tens place? Your answer is? Okay, 2. What about number 2? The place value is hundreds. What is the digit in the hundreds place? Hundreds. We have 4. Number 3. What is the digit in the tens place? Tens is 9. What about the 10,000s place in number 4? We have 4. Number 5. The tenths place is 0. Okay. Number 6. Thousands place. Thousands is 6. 7. Again, another thousands, which is what is the digit in the thousands place for number 7? We have 5. Number 8. Another 1,000. What is the thousands place? What digit is in the thousands place? We have 9. Number 10. Number 9. What is the hundreds place in number 9? We have 0. And then number 10. What is the tenths place? The answer is 2. For lesson activity, letter C, give the place value and the value of the underlying digit. The number for number 1 is 9. 9 is what place? Thousands. Multiply 9 times thousands, that is 9,000s. Number 2, 3 is in the hundreds place, and the value is 300. Number 3, 7 is in what place? It is in the 10,000s place, and the value is 7 10,000s. Number 4, 9 is in what place? Tenths place, and the value is 9 tenths. Number 5, last number, 7 is in what place? It is in the hundreds place, and the value is 7 hundredths.